So we are joined by a number of people today. So I'm using the lavalier mic. Just again, you guys did mention that it's when there's a lot of people, very difficult to hear. So we'll try this. We're going to go inside and I'll tell you a bit more history. Right, so this place is an old air raid shelter. It's not particularly large, but it should be quite interesting. So let's have a look. Let's have a look round. Which way can we go? That's both are dead end that way.
Mate, this is well good.
Yeah, I don't know if it's got any decent. There's two rusted though. Can't see what it would have been. Well, oh yeah, there's graffiti here as well, isn't there? 1944. Oh yeah.
I don't know what's worth it in the end.
I don't see if there's any more. There is quite a bit, but there's no dates on these ones, unfortunately. But we'll continue on. Wow. Okay. This is collapsed a little bit, isn't it?
You can climb over. Is it tunnel again, Jack? Very tiny one.
Try and climb over this safely. Right. Oh, okay. That is a lot of chalk fall in this area. Can we get up here though? Is there anything round here, Jake?
The tunnel, isn't it? Tiny little tunnel.
Just a tiny little. Well, we might as well have a look. Oh, I see what you mean. There's a lot of rock above me.
Easier when you go to your right. I've been both ways. And
Yeah.
it's not like going both ways.
No.
See, this is the place that...
All right. Well, you say it's not worth going both ways.
It's worth going one way.
This way.
Yeah.
All right. So climb down. Just try not to touch the ceiling. Here we go. God, no wonder this one's a bit dodgy. Oh right, yeah. Hold on, let me get off this chalk. Yeah, I can see why it's not worth going both ways. That's bricked off. You can see up where we came from. But yeah, Second World War air raid for the local public. And that's it. Yeah, so quite a short one there, but there you have it. Second World War air raid tunnels. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Cheers.